Hello. In the fall, I showed you how I dug up my dahlias, and now that it's spring and no chance of frost, I am going to plant some dahlias. And I have the ones that I dug up last year and showed you. Now you can see this one didn't make it, right? It's all shriveled up, but this one did and already has some stuff growing out of it. So this one's good to plant. So all I need to do is dig up a little hole. And I want to make sure I have where the plant is starting to grow coming up. And have it just above the ground a little bit and pack it in. I'll show you a close-up of that. It's just up just a little ways above the ground. Pieces that I had cut off last year. I'll show you a close-up of me planting another one. So just digging up a little bit of a hole here. Enough space for it to fill in. I'm going to do this nice big clump. You can see there is some starting to grow there. Tuck that into the ground, pack in around it. And after I'm done planting all of these, I'll come back and add some water, give them some water. I'll show you. So here's another healthy one. And let's see, most of them made it. That one has something growing out of it. That one's shriveled up, so it's a no-go. That one has something growing out of it. There's one that didn't make it right there, all shriveled up. So I'm going to continue planting, and then I will show you me watering, and that's it. Make sure that there's no more frost. That's going to happen because dahlias do not like frost. And that's all there is to it. Soon enough, we'll have some beautiful dahlias. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.